Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining our health can often take a back seat, leading to a buildup of toxins in our bodies. This is where detoxification comes into play, particularly when cleansing the colon. Detoxification is essential for overall health and wellness, as it helps eliminate harmful substances, boosts energy levels, and enhances digestion. A clean colon improves nutrient absorption and supports a healthy immune system, making it a vital aspect of our well-being. This video will explore 5 potent detox drinks that can effectively cleanse your colon. Each drink is packed with natural ingredients that work synergistically to flush out toxins, reduce bloating, and promote regular bowel movements. You'll learn how simple ingredients like lemon, ginger, and leafy greens can transform your health and vitality. But why should you care about having a clean colon? A well-functioning colon plays a crucial role in your body's detoxification process. It helps eliminate waste, prevents constipation, and even reduces the risk of colon-related diseases. By incorporating these detox drinks into your routine, you can experience various benefits, including increased energy, improved digestion, and a clearer mind. So, if you're ready to take charge of your health and discover how these detox drinks can make a difference, stay tuned. We'll guide you through each recipe and share tips on incorporating them into your daily life for maximum benefits. Let's get started on this journey to a healthier you. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Detox Drink 1. Lemon Ginger. Detox Water. Lemon Ginger. Detox water is a refreshing and invigorating drink that tastes great and offers numerous health benefits. Both lemon and ginger are powerhouse ingredients that aid digestion and support detoxification. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps boost the immune system and promotes healthy skin. It also stimulates the liver, encouraging bile production, essential for digestion. Ginger, on the other hand, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe the digestive tract, reducing bloating and discomfort. Preparing lemon ginger detox water is effortless. Start by slicing half a lemon and a small piece of fresh ginger. Add these slices to a water pitcher and let it steep for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. For an extra kick, add a few mint leaves or a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. This drink can be enjoyed cold or at room temperature, making it versatile for any time of the day. Incorporating lemon ginger detox water into your daily routine is a fantastic way to stay hydrated while reaping the benefits of these natural ingredients. Aim to drink it first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism, or sip it throughout the day as a refreshing alternative to sugary beverages. By making this simple drink a part of your lifestyle, you'll support your digestive health and feel more energized and revitalized. So why not give it a try today? Your body will thank you. Detox. Drink 2. Green Smoothie. A green smoothie is a delicious and nutrient-packed drink that can significantly clean the colon and promote overall health. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are the stars of this smoothie, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support digestion and detoxification. These greens are rich in chlorophyll, which helps to eliminate toxins from the body, and can improve gut health by promoting regular bowel movements. To make a refreshing green smoothie, you'll need a handful of fresh spinach, kale, 1 ripe banana, half a cup of pineapple chunks, and 1 cup of almond milk or water. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and enjoy. This combination tastes great and provides potent antioxidants and nutrients that boost your energy levels and mood. You can try many variations to customize your green smoothie to suit your taste preferences. Add half an avocado or a scoop of Greek yogurt for a creamier texture. If you prefer a sweeter flavor, toss in some berries or a splash of orange juice. For added variety, you can also experiment with leafy greens like Swiss chard or collard greens. Incorporating a green smoothie into your daily routine is an easy and delicious way to support your colon health and overall wellness. Whether you enjoy it as a breakfast option or a mid-afternoon snack, this vibrant drink will nourish your body and keep you feeling your best. So blend up your greens and enjoy the benefits today. Detox Drink 3. Apple Cider Vinegar. Tonic. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has gained popularity as a powerful health tonic, particularly its ability to support colon health. This fermented liquid is rich in acetic acid, which has detoxifying properties that can help cleanse the digestive system. ACV promotes healthy digestion by increasing stomach acid production, which aids in breaking down food more efficiently. Additionally, it can help balance the pH levels in the gut, creating an environment that supports beneficial bacteria while inhibiting harmful pathogens. To make a simple and effective apple cider tonic, you'll need 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, and a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Mix the apple cider vinegar and honey in a glass, then add the water and stir well. Depending on your preference, this tonic can be either cold or warm. For optimal results, it's recommended to drink this tonic regularly, ideally once a day. Consistency is critical to reaping the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Many people find drinking this tonic before meals can help improve digestion and reduce bloating, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your colon health and overall wellness. So why not give this refreshing tonic a try? With its detoxifying properties and delicious taste, you'll be on your way to feeling revitalized and energized in no time. Detox drink. 4. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a vibrant and nutritious drink with remarkable benefits for colon cleansing and overall health. Beets contain essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. One of the standout benefits of beetroot juice is its ability to promote liver health and enhance detoxification. The betalains found in beets support the liver's natural detox processes, helping to eliminate toxins and improve overall liver function. A healthy liver is crucial for effective digestion and maintaining a clean colon. Making fresh beetroot juice at home is simple and rewarding. Start by washing and peeling 1 medium-sized beetroot. Cut it into small chunks and place it in a blender. Add 1 cup of water and blend until smooth. You can include a small piece of ginger or a splash of lemon juice for flavor and nutrition. Once blended, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to extract the juice. Enjoy your fresh beetroot juice immediately for the best taste and health benefits. Incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine is an excellent way to support your body's detoxification efforts. Its natural sweetness and earthy flavor make it a delightful addition to your diet. Whether you drink it in the morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up, this vibrant drink can help you feel revitalized and energized. So why not give beetroot juice a try? Your body will appreciate the boost in health and vitality. Detox. Drink 5. Cucumber Mint Infusion. Cucumber Mint Infusion is a light, refreshing drink that quenches your thirst and offers numerous health benefits. Both cucumber and mint are known for their hydrating properties, making this infusion an excellent choice for cleansing the body. Cucumbers comprise about 95% water, which helps keep you hydrated and supports healthy digestion. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to any detox regimen. On the other hand, mint adds a flavor and has soothing properties that can aid digestion and relieve bloating. Cut 1 medium cucumber into thin rounds to make this refreshing mint infusion. Combine the cucumber slices with a handful of fresh mint leaves in a pitcher. For added flavor, squeeze in half a lemon. Fill the pitcher with water and let it steep in the refrigerator for at least an hour to allow the flavors to meld. Serve the infusion chilled over ice for a refreshing summer detox drink. This cucumber mint infusion is perfect for hot days when you need a hydrating boost. Not only does it taste great, but it also helps flush out toxins and keeps your body feeling refreshed. Enjoy it throughout the day, or serve it at gatherings for a delightful and healthy beverage. So why not whip up this simple infusion and enjoy the benefits of hydration and detoxification? Your body will thank you for this refreshing treat. This video explored 5 potent detox drinks significantly benefiting colon health and overall well-being. We started with lemon ginger detox water, which aids digestion and detoxification thanks to the combined power of lemon and ginger. Next, we discussed the green smoothie, packed with leafy greens like spinach and kale, which help cleanse the colon while providing essential nutrients. Then we highlighted the apple cider vinegar tonic, known for its detoxifying properties and ability to promote healthy digestion. We also delved into the vibrant beetroot juice, which supports liver health and enhances detoxification, making it a fantastic choice for cleansing. Finally, we wrapped up with the refreshing cucumber mint infusion, a hydrating drink that not only quenches your thirst, but also helps flush out toxins from your body. Incorporating these detox drinks into your daily routine can lead to a healthier colon and improved overall health. Each drink offers unique benefits, making finding one that suits your taste and lifestyle easy. We encourage you to try these recipes and experience their positive effects on your body. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and wellness advice. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from these detox drinks. Together, let's embark on a journey toward better health and vitality. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.